Hey guys, have you discovered what I recently discovered, which was two people in my family tree who were actually one person? And I couldn't figure out how to merge the two files together. Okay, if this has happened to you, then you are in the right place. I am going to show you how to merge duplicate people on your tree at Ancestry.com. Hey guys, it's Lisa with Are You My Cousin, where I strive to take the overwhelm out of your genealogy research. I'd love for it if you could hit that subscribe button down in the bottom right hand corner so that you don't miss any of the new Are You My Cousin videos that come out at least twice a week and sometimes more. Okay, now we're going to head over to Ancestry.com and I'm going to show you step by step how to merge a duplicate, two people into one on your family tree. This is actually a question I've been getting recently from my readers, so I wanted to make this video to show you how to correct that. It's really quite simple, guys. I'll see you over there. Hey guys, so we are back over here at Ancestry.com and we are on the ancestor page, the profile page for a Dora Levin, who was part of my husband's ancestors. And what I want to show you while we're here is something that is very common that happens, is that sometimes we actually end up with two people of the same name in our family tree, and they're actually the same person. So for instance, I did that actually here in Dora as an example. So if we scroll down and look at her children, we see all the children labeled out and everything looks good until we get down here to the bottom. And for some reason, for whatever reason, I ended up with two Betty Listens. So we have Betty, who was also known as Bertie, and then we have another Betty Listen. Well, in fact, what I've discovered is that these are the same people. This was done in error, and so I need to combine the two of them. And so it's really quite easy, and I'm actually surprised at the number of questions I get from this. So this is a common problem. So I wanted to show you guys how to fix that. So what I would do is I would go to Bertie's page, or Betty's, and I would say, okay, I'm going to go up to the tools right here. So you'll see the tools there. And we are going to click on that. And we're going to go to merge with duplicate. So you want merge with duplicate. Okay, and so what it does is it shows me the first person, which is the page I was on, was Bertie. Okay, and I want to merge her with the other Betty Listen so I can get that other one out. Okay, there we go. Now, it gives me the option of using whichever spelling I want, or to choose which record I want as primary. I can do that. But what it also tells me down here is that any facts or media or sources that I had for this Betty and this Betty will be merged. So anything that was here will be merged into the other Betty as well. So I'm going to hit merge. There we go. And then if I go back to Dora, the mother, and we come down here, we see we are back to just one Bertie or one Betty, and anything that had been in the other Bettys was merged into her file. So it's really quite easy, though I will tell you, when I first did this the first couple times, it wasn't very intuitive until I remembered I'd need to go to Tools. I kept wanting to go to Edit. Don't go to Edit, go to Tools, and that will allow you to merge duplicate people and keep the records. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye. Welcome back. See, it's not so hard, and it's quite an easy fix, really, once you know how to do it. So before you head out to start the rest of your research for the day, again, hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you here next time at the Are You My Cousin YouTube channel. Bye, guys.